Yes, we have another class for the principles of commerce, and you can see in the picture. In this, we have a different vocabulary. First, I would like to discuss this picture with you. The commerce is basically exchange of goods. It has in some companies. Trade is also here. Individuals are really participating in the business perspective. So these are all those business tasks which a businessman should do. Okay. Then I proceed towards, this is the main slides which I want to discuss with you people. Uh, Wait. Yes, we have a differentiation between commerce and economics. Basically these are the exchange of services and goods I have discussed with you in the previous classes, but I want to notify you people should understand the core again. So that's why I made these slides for you people to understand the grounds. Basically, we have exchange of goods and services for money, or any kind of large scale requirement for the transportation. As I told you that when we want to shift the goods from one place to another, we need transportation. Okay. So transportation plays important role, whether we have to move their product for the cities, for the state, or for the national boundaries. If I talk about economics, it is the study of production and consumption. हमने आपको PC का word याद होगा, point of production to the point of consumption of goods, उसको हम transfer करते हैं for the wealth to produce and obtain goods, and like we are using those wealth to obtain goods. हम अपनी पास जो product होती है उसको form करने के लिए अपनी wealth को utilize करते हैं. So wealth utilization is very much important when we are in a condition to boost our business. Okay. Then we have economics explain how people interact within the market. Economics हमें इस चीज के बारे में बताती है कि आपकी जो लोग हैं, हमारी जो strength है, हमारी जो customers हैं, वो आपस में एक दूसरे से किस तरह interact करते हैं to get what they want or accomplish their goals. Means we have discussed the needs and wants before in the class, that water is the need and Coca-Cola or any juice is your want. We have some branches for the commerce we have discussed in the upcoming classes. I will discuss these branches one by one. मैं आप लोगों के साथ अब आइंदा आने क्लासेस जो क्लासेस होंगी उसमें आपके साथ प्रोफेशन भी डिस्कस करूंगी, इंडस्ट्री, ट्रेड, मार्केटिंग, इसको सेपरेटली और डीपली डिस्कशन करूंगी in my upcoming lectures. Then we have some branches for the economics. Economics is divided into two branches, that is your macro and micro. ठीक है. Then we have scope for the commerce. If I talk about the scope, the commerce scope in for the production, for the banking, for the transportation, in warehousing, in any type of information, gathering of information, and definitely in the field of insurance. If I talk about the scope of economics, so economics scope is basically based upon on science. Economics is your science and art of understanding, is basically your social sciences. It is a theoretical science in which you will learn the theory that how those commerce and accounting activities going on. Economics, both positive and normative science. Then we have this picture in which I have discussed with you business activities. Business activities, as I told you, that we have financial activity, investing and activity, commercial activities. So in industry, we have extracting, constructing, and manufacturing work. If I talk about the trade, we have home trade and foreign trade. I told you about the import, export, internal and external trading also. For the trade, we need wholesalers and retailers. We have done this. Commerce is having some aids to trade also. Aids to trade means all those things which help us to do the trading. So what are those things which help us? Transport, your distribution, your warehousing, banking is a third party to facilitate importer and exporter. Then we have to do some advertising and marketing of the product, and then definitely our product should be insured for our benefit. If I talk about e-commerce and e-business, I told you that American use the word business and Britishers use the word commerce. So e-commerce and e-business is basically your digital commerce, which we are doing and buying our you can say selling and buying the products by online, by using our credit cards and debit cards, or sometimes we pay by cash also. ठीक है, cash on delivery. We use then the term e-commerce to refer primarily to for the digital enablement, digital transaction, the process involving bank, debit and credited card. As I told you, e-commerce include commercial transaction in which we involve exchange of values across organizational boundaries. It means within the city, within the province, and it can be out of your countries. Okay, it can be international also. So it is not restricted. It has no boundaries. If I talk about these two, how commerce and economics deals in our daily life, this is the most prospective way. इसमें आपको सारी जितनी भी इसकी definitions हैं कि कॉमर्स कौन कौन सी चीजें डील करती है, इंडिविजुअल्स को, सिस्टम को मैक्सिमाइज ग्रोथ करती है, उसके अंदर ट्रेडिंग हो रही होती है, इंटरनेशनल भी होती है, उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोडक्शन, ऑल द वर्ड्स आर गैदर्ड ओवर हियर. इकोनॉमिक्स की जो मेन पर्सपेक्टिव है उसमें इन्फ्लेशन को डिस्कस किया जाता है, उसको एनालिस्ट करते हैं, बजट की प्लानिंग होती है, मनी मॉनिटरिंग होती है, वैल्यूएशन हो रही होती है, जीडीपीज जीएनपीज को कैलकुलेट करते हैं. बेसिकली इट्स योर एनालाइजेशन परफॉर्मेंस, जो थ्योरी होती है, डेप्थ होती है आपकी सब्जेक्ट की. careers and jobs in commerce. Some people were thinking कि हम commerce पढ़ रहे हैं, अब हम क्या क्या बन सकते हैं या हमारा क्या कैरियर है, हमें जिंदगी में क्या करना है. आप बैंकिंग सेक्टर में जा सकते हैं, आप मैनेजर बने, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट बने, ट्रेनिंग तो आपकी होती है, आप रजिस्टर्ड फर्म फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Then you can be a financer, you can be a sponsor, you can planning your own insurance businesses, you can be your you can say a boutique plan करें अपने clothing का, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में जाएं. सो इट अगेन डिपेंड अपॉन इकोनॉमिक्स, अकाउंट्स, कॉमर्स इज एवरीवेयर. यू कैन एंटर इन एनी फील्ड इफ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. ठीक है, सो कोई ऐसी फील्ड नहीं है जिसमें आपके पास फाइनेंस का कोई रोल ना हो. फाइनेंस इज एवरीवेयर. These are your different fields. You can graduates, you can do your politics also in national international knowledges, employers, graduation. It is a very you can say good picture in which you should use your careers and your skills. You have to be graduate. Education को छोड़ के direct business पे नहीं जाना है. Education can move you towards these all process. जो इकोनॉमिक को डिस्कस करते हैं वो इकोनॉमिस्ट होते हैं, वो आपके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आ रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स डेफिनेटली, हम स्टूडेंट होते हैं तो हम इन फील्ड्स की तरफ जाते हैं. सो दीज आर वेरी गुड पिक्चर्स. थैंक यू सो मच गर्ल्स. You like hope so my students you like my all you can say efforts. Thank you once again.